In this video, I'll show you how to add a size guide on Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to head over to Products and Services. Now, under Products and Services, what you want to do is simply click on Products. Now, once you do that, you'll be taken to the products page, and what you want to do is simply head over to the product in which you want to add a size guide. I want to add a size guide on this white shirt, and what I want to do is simply head over to the right hand side of a product and click on the three dots for more actions. From here, you'll want to go to the bottom and click on edit. And this is where we can add our size guide. You can add your size guide on the description. And what you could also do is add the image of the size guide. So if we scroll down to the image section, in here, what you want to do is simply click on the plus sign to add an image. Now on this image, make sure this is the size guide for the specific product. And once you're done, it will automatically add the image beside the size guide. Now, to make sure that the size guide is on the very last of the image, you want to make sure that this is beside the product. Now, if you hold on a product and move it on a specific side, it will automatically switch. Now, you want to make sure that this image is set as the very first, and at the bottom, make sure that this is set as the thumbnail. And once you're done, simply head over to the top and right corner and click on save. Now, if we preview this t-shirt on our website, you will see that if we click on the white shirt, at the bottom, you should see the size guide. Now, this will be different on how your website looks like. Let's say you have a next button, and in here you will show the size guide. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.